Alright, setting up your material. So we're going to do a little bit of a cooking show type action here where a lot of the work's already done. So over here on this side, this is our lever. This lifts up our rolls. Take a look underneath here. These are our rolls. These are our clamps. So when we lift the lever up, our rolls come up and they can move. Alright, we want to use as many rolls as we can. Every time we have a silver bar right here, we can put a roll underneath it. And if you look down here, this silver bar matches up with these rollers here. So what we're doing is putting a roller on top of here to pinch the material together. So your left and right roller sets the width of the material. These, the clamps, they mean nothing as far as the width is concerned. Right? It's your left and your right pinch roller. Okay. Once you get your media loaded in from the back side, and we'll take a quick peek over there. Alright, we're going to set the media in. This one's already been used, so I'll roll this up a little bit for demonstration purposes. Alright, we almost always operate with this down, especially in setup, and then we just keep slack on it. But this brake can come off, that's fine. But more times than not, that just stays on. To kind of cheat you a little bit here and some tips and tricks, this window is where I say window, this space here is where the right side needs to go. Obviously from the other side, we're looking from the back. So this is where the right side needs to end up, and then the left side needs to be under one of these. Alright, so we come back around here. Looking at exactly those. These are your bars that you need to line up for the right side of the material. And then here are your silver bars for the left side, and so on down the machine. Alright, so this one, we've got it in here. We're going to grab it from the middle. Not grab, but push your hand just on the front a little bit. And you're just going to tug on this slightly. It's going to get the wiggle out. So we're good there. And then, depending on the material, you might have to use your other hand while you hold it in place. This one's not fighting us too much, so we're going to come over here and lock it down. Then you need to close the top. And you see this comes over, checks the width, and then it sets the width here, 17.9. Once you get this set up, you can push the up button or back button, however you want to think of it. It pulls that back. So we're using as much of the material as possible. And then you're going to hit base point. Alright. Now from there, our material is set up. You are ready to go.